Good morning from Blackcomb Spring Suites. If you want to get over to Whistler Village in the morning and not take the run down here to the Blackcomb gondola, maybe for ski school or go to Whistler, you have two options. Walk up this slight hill and then you ski over this way to the village run, or right below that light pole over there, you can ski down a little bit from your hotel and then walk up that. That way's a little less steep, but much longer walk. This way's a little steeper, but you get the downhill portion to the village run. So after you ski down from that part I just showed you, you come passing by the Blackcomb Base 2. This is where they do ski school on the Blackcomb side. And we got to make it over to that gondola. So once you cruise your way past the Blackcomb Ski School, you get over here, you can either take the gondola down to the village, or you cruise just to the left of the gondola and you go on the village run. So after you pass by the gondola, you're onto the village run. Mask up here, it's cold on my face. Whistler Village.